Welcome to my channel. So in the last section of the video, so now we will continue about that the topic is that we are instructed. So anchor tag. So now we will continue on that anchor tag. So here the anchor tag, how was utilizing? For suppose if you want to redirect the some page from
Music licensing reimagined.
from the current page to another page, so you can utilize. So this is my suppose let you take in the I can be using this URL. So the Unicode resource locator I was using URL, that URL path is using here. So instead of the hyper reference the name inside the value taken URL, so that the URL based the anchor tag is the redirect to the so on address of this URL page. It will automatically open. So this type of the opens, different types of the opens is there. So on inside of the current tab, inside of the current page, and so opening the new tab, like that way. The here some different types of the types is there. So that is the type
Artlist.io.
yeah. Suppose for example, how was it working? Well, let's check. So we can go in browser after refresh. So where is the anchor tag text? Here not appear. So you can
Music
write
reimagined.
so the anchor tag. So the saving, refresh. Here anchor tag came, and here you can observe you can observe here in this the footer section. You can observe when I mouse over on that anchor tag link. So here that inside of the URL with this URL appear. So you can observe. You can check like that way with this this tag this tag have defined the URL or not. Let you can check this way. So first of all, what I want, when I click, I want to go redirect that address. So I'm going to our channel. Yes, this anchor text is working. So but I need not redirect our current page. I need this anchor tag, which is the address of the web page is there. That page I need to open separate new tab. So that how I have some the properties there. That is the property I thought target link. So the source target link.
Reimagined.
So there are different type of the target links. So no, don't ask here. Where is our chat GPT? Okay, then you can ask. Target link, target underscore the blank. Give like this.
Artlist.io.
Like this. The tags for anchor. Anchor tags. Yes.
Music licensing.
Our target is under the blank, one is the blank. Give remind. Not only this one, we have different type of tags in there. So I will ask again. Where is our browser? This is our browser. After refresh, when I click on this
Artlist.io.
tag, so automatically that regarding the which is the link of the page is there, that page will address we are opening. So that is our website. Sorry, our channel web address came here. Okay.
Artlist.io.
So let's go for. I want to. There are the different type of the plan targets is there. You can ask the ChatGPT. Give
Music
the
licensing reimagined.
give remaining the target values. Give the remind target. There is a self and blank. Already you know that is the parent and top. Okay. When I use blank over, self means in current page. Instead of the current page only open this address. What was copied here? Okay. So I am using
Music licensing.
the target. Our
reimagined.
target is the self. So self means current. Inside of the current page, not a refresh. Okay. So now working. Inside the current which is our web browser page is there. In that browser only that this new one appear. Okay, new one page open. So next I want to use other target one, parent. So in this parent tag, in this parent attribute I can utilize. What will happen?
Music licensing reimagined.
So let's check where is our browser. With our browser. Which one is our browser? Here. Go back and refresh. So when I click the browser, it will open as like a parent. Okay. So totally parently it will open. So next further the last one, the top one, we need to, after applying this attribute, what will happen? Let's check. At the top of, so at the top level will open.
Music licensing reimagined.
Same. The difference will not properly shown parent and this top. These two attributes confused. Okay, don't worry. So next let's go for the image tag over and this links, text and image links over, anchor tags over. So next we want to discuss the tables. What is the tables? Tables. So do you know tables? So the tables look like appear in the tables images. I want to ask table
Music
images.
licensing reimagined.
How was make the tables rows and columns, so that grid we are called the tables means this type of calculation table scheme. No, tables means rows, columns, rows and columns images. Okay, this is the table. This is the one table.
Artlist.io.
So how was this grid rows and columns? This grid how was made? How was make? So first of all, we will make like that way.
Music licensing
So first of all,
reimagined.
different tags is there for making the table. So inside of the body tag, we can take the div tag. Div tag is acting as a like as a container tag here. So inside of the div tag, so I am using the form table tag. Inside of that table tag, so I
Artlist.io.
was using the table header tag, table heading tag. So inside of that heading tag, so I was using the
Artlist.io.
rows. Inside of the row, I need to the some heading th, some inside of the rows. I need some heading.
Music
Each and
licensing
every
reimagined.
heading columns I need. So that's why. So I have taken different type of the heading columns. So 3 types I taken. So I had one. So that's why you can write that is the better. Head one. So you
Artlist.io.
can first you write head one, head two, head three, heading 3. So you can watch here in our output what will happen. Where is our browser?
Music licensing
So
reimagined.
this is go back and see our browser will come. So here let's check here showing na h1 tag and h2 tag and h3 tag. So the border, so inside of this table you can give the some style tag,
Artlist.io.
the border, border 1 pixel, 1
Music licensing reimagined.
solid pixel, 1 pixel you can give. So now let's here border will come. So the border appear here. Okay, are you observing? So here the border will come. So again
Artlist.io.
that border collapse. Border collapse means collapse and not okay.
Artlist.io.
So that is the difference, collapse. So first we need to the header over, and now inside of the header section, header part, header 1, header 2, header 3 came, and I need to the table body tag.
Music
am
licensing
using body tag.
reimagined.
What will happen? So instead of the body tag, same I am using here, but the table T is the table data updated TD tags we can use. So the TD tags use,
Artlist.io.
let's see here.